Hello, welcome back to Tong Hacks channel. So today's tutorial is gonna be a tutorial about how to add your own sound on a CapCut by iOS. Here I already have my project, I already have the videos, and I want to add my own sound. Sometimes I will use a voiceover to add my own sound in this video. So the tutorial is just click the audio on the below button, and then on the right side you will see voiceover option. Just click the voiceover option. Okay, so how to start to record your voice is just click and hold it until you finish speaking or have any words on it. So hold it and then start speaking. Coffee, it makes me happy. And that's all. You will already have your own sound on this video, so let's have a test. Coffee, it makes me happy. So that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye bye.